Okay, for this lesson, we're going to go over not-type adjectives in the present, future, affirmative tense. Now, adjectives are called not-type because they end in na. Okay, for example, kirei na, meaning clean, ends in na. Okay, and yumei na, meaning famous, ends in na. So they're both not-type adjectives. Okay? To conjugate them into the present, future, affirmative, it's a little bit more tricky. For pronoun, you simply leave it alone. Okay? And for verb replacement, you drop the final na, and you must, absolutely must add des, a form of des. Okay? So, it's just how it works. Let's go over an example. Kirei na. Kirei na. Okay? If you putting it before a noun, you just leave it alone. Kirei na. And then the noun. But if you're doing a verb replacement, then you drop the na and say kirei des. You must add des. Kirei des. Okay? You could use those other tenses, da, or dash da, or data. But you must use one of those forms. Technically, you could do that up here to pronoun, but I wouldn't bother with it. Just go with these rules here. Leave it alone, drop na, add des, must add des. Okay? And you'll be good to go. Let's go over an example. I ate the famous cake. To translate this, we'd say, I wa you may na cake o tabemashita. Okay, I wa yume na cake o tabemashita. Okay, notice we left the na in there. We left it alone. Yume na, because it's pre-noun. Cake is the noun. Okay, let's go over another example. Oh, by the way, we're still using the construct that we developed for E-type adjectives. In the present affirmative, it's clean car. In the present negative, it's not clean car. In the past affirmative, it's was clean car. And in the past negative, it's wasn't clean car. Okay, that's how we're still going to do it. Today we're going over present affirmative. Okay, so let's go over another example. Cake is famous. Okay, so we'd write cake wa cake wa yume desu. Okay, yume desu. Notice we dropped the na, and then we added des. Must add des. Cake wa yume desu. So let's go over some sample problems. The clean truck is there. 2. Oh, kirei means clean. It can also mean pretty. So let's go over the cake is pretty. Okay. The cake is pretty. So go ahead, translate this. Okay. Ready? Let's go over it. Okay, kirei na truck wa soko ni arimasu. The clean truck was over there. Or you could say soko desu. Kirei na truck wa soko desu. Number 2, the cake is pretty. Cake wa kirei desu. Okay, so that's basically how that works, and I'll see you next lesson.